Welcome to this CamScanner intro. CamScanner is the app you will use on your phone to upload your work, whether it's for tests or homework or any other situation. If you have an Android device, you'll go to the Play Store, and when you search for CamScanner, it will give you these options. You do not need to have the advanced. You do not need to have the licensed version. Just go with the basic CamScanner scan to PDF. Now, I already have it installed, so I'm not going to go through the installation process. Here it is as an icon on my screen. So I click CamScanner and give it a moment. And now we're ready to go. I have a lot of documents here already, as you can see. But here's my camera button. Now let me reposition so I can upload a document by taking a picture. Okay, this isn't the best lighting for you. You're getting some reflection on my phone screen. But what I'm going to do is get as much of that page on my screen as I can. And, whoops, wait a minute. I'm on question book. I don't want question book, okay? I don't want book. I don't want ID card. I want docs. This is a document I'm scanning. Okay, that looks a little better. Looks like I'm going to full scan. So make sure you're in docs, and also that you're in multiple pages if you have more than one. This is called batch. If you only have one page, click the single rectangle to the right there. But I'm going to scan both sides, so I want the two rectangles, and click. Okay. Now I'm going to flip this over and take a picture of the other side. Okay. Notice my camera icon there is turned to the side. Watch what that means. It means my pictures are turned to the side also. That's okay. Now I'm going to go back to my other lighting situation. This is oriented horizontally. Please don't send it to us like that. It's really hard to grade like that. Okay, just click this rotation button and keep clicking it until it's right side up. Okay, because it was in that horizontal position, this did not choose the edges of my document correctly. So I'm just going to move the crop circles there. Different type of crop circle. Okay, until they are where I want them to be. And it's a little bit hard because I didn't do the best job. There, that's a little bit better. Just a little more work over here. Okay, so I got all of my writing in there. Almost. Come on. Okay. So I've got a little bit extra edges, but all of my work is on there. So I'm going to click OK. But I need to do this one too. So I went back. I need to turn this one around. And this one is pretty much lined out correctly. Okay. So now I click, I like that. Now, the first time it brings you to this page, you have the option of skipping it. But here I can change the title if I want to. I can add tags. You can set a default doc name, okay, if you want to change it. And I'm sending this to all docs in CamScanner, so I don't want to save it to a different place on my phone. So everything looks all right to me, so I'm going to click OK. And here it is. Now, ignore the collage here. You won't have the upgrade that allows you to make a collage, and we really don't want it. It may take a while. You may have noticed this was processing in the background. It may take it just a moment to get it processed. But if you look, see, didn't take the best picture there, so be careful of that. I might have wanted to redo that, but for now it's going to be okay. So check your PDFs here, make sure they're good. You don't want to try the collage, just get rid of that. Okay. Now, if you send this share button, or you click the share icon, it's going to send a link. All right, we do not want a link to go to Blackboard or through email. Instead, click the three dots there and go ahead and email it to yourself. Okay, you want to email a PDF, and it will ask you for your email address. I've already set my email address. And click Send. Share via Gmail. Okay, it's opening Gmail. Here it is. It's from me. It's to me. CamScanner, no message. But this is scanned with CamScanner. And there is the attached PDF. So now I'm going to send that. Yes, I do want to send it. And let's see where it winds up. Now, it did tell me that it came to my phone. And because I sent it as a PDF, I could just forward this. Okay, I don't want to reply to CamScanner. I want to forward it. I'm going to forward it to the email that's attached to my YouTube account. Okay, send the message, yes. All right, now I'm going to get off my phone though, because if you are trying to upload something to Blackboard, your phone is not the best way. It will not always go through. It often times out on students. So instead, I'm going to come here to my email. Here's where the CamScanner sent it. That was my forward. So here's the original email with my CamScanner document. Now I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to download it to this computer. Okay. And when that's done, I'm going to open that CamScanner document. Make sure it's there, okay? But I know it's in my downloads. So now I'm going to go over to Blackboard. Now this is just a practice Blackboard. It is not yours, so it's a little bit differently, but let me go back. Here's what you'll see. At some point you'll see a practice assignment, or it will be labeled according to the name of the assignment that you're supposed to be working on. So you click that, and it'll tell you how many points possible. This is just an example. But if you go down, you will get to attach files. You may want to write a text to explain something about it, but browse your computer, go to your, I don't know if you can see that. I'm in my downloads file, okay, and I've downloaded the CamScanner twice today, but I'm going to choose the one I just downloaded. I'm going to open it. It's going to be uploaded there, and now I just have to click Submit. Okay, and I'm reviewing my submission history for a practice assignment. There it is, CamScanner. Okay, looks good. Wait until you see this, okay? Submission confirmation number. Make sure you have that, okay? And make sure you are able to see the PDF. Sometimes it gets hung up in the process of uploading, and we have to try it again, okay? So those are all of the steps. I suggest you practice with CamScanner, sending emails to yourself. We'll work with the uploads and everything if you have problems with that later. I will talk to you later. Let me know if you have questions.